How to fix TikTok not opening problem. If TikTok is not opening, then the first thing you want to do is launch open your device settings. Once you have launched it open, tap on the connections option. Now select Wi-Fi. Here you want to check if your internet is working properly. If not, you can switch with data and then check. Next thing you want to do is head back, then scroll down and select software update. If there is any update here, you simply want to install the latest software update. After this, simply head back. Now tap and hold on TikTok, then you want to tap on this I option. This will take you to settings. Here you want to select storage, then click on clear cache. After that, you want to tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now go ahead and check if your issue is fixed. If not, you want to launch open Play Store. Now search TikTok. Here, if you have any updates, simply go ahead and update the app to the latest version. You can also try to reinstall it and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.